First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh,
Hello people, welcome to Family Woman TV. Today we are going to look at a topic that says, how do I make him feel special? How can you make your loved one to feel special on their special occasions like the Valentine's Day, the anniversary, their birthdays and all that? So I have listed a number of ideas I want to give you so you can spice up your love life and make your loved one to have a memorable celebration anytime that they're celebrating their special occasions. Okay, this is Family Woman TV. Subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so let's jump in, people. Now we are going to look at the tips, ideas that I want to share with you so you can make your loved ones feel special on their special day or special occasion, as the case may be. Number one on my list is what? Make him a special breakfast. Serve him that breakfast on bed. Do you know what that means? It makes him feel loved. It makes him, it's like you're presenting a very special dish to him as a wake-up call. When you serve him this beautiful breakfast, he feels rejuvenated. He believes that there is someone out there thinking about him or trying to make him feel loved and special. Then the second idea I have for you today is, guess what? Make him a favorite dish. His or her favorite dish. Okay, so when you make him his or her favorite dish, you can use Google, you can use the other channels, food channels on YouTube. You make your research and get very proper good, fantastic recipes that you can use to up your game. Even if you've been cooking his favorite meal all this while, you can make it more special, more beautiful, more presentable by making your research and getting good, powerful recipes that can, wow his taste buds. Okay, so when you make him, like for my husband, he loves egusi. So I've already made my plan, on the kind of egusi soup, another type of recipe I want to explore this Valentine season, and I know he will like it. So you can try it out in your home, and that, serving such a meal to your loved one will make him feel special. Then another thing is, you can take him for a spa treatment. We Africans, we are always running around. There is no, we don't have leisure. Okay, we don't have set out time to go take care of ourselves. Only few people do. So you can, on their special occasions like Valentine that is coming very soon, so you can take him for a spa treatment where he will have facials, body massage, manicure and pedicure treatment that will keep his body rejuvenated and revitalized, and that will make him feel very special. Another idea I want to give you to explore is what? Guess what? You can take him to the gym. Yes, you can take him to the gym to exercise his body. These things help our health to, maintain good health and emotional health, well-being. So you can help him to go exercise his body in the gym, look at other people around exercising and all that. That will give him, he will feel happy, he will feel special. Another thing you can do for your loved one to make them feel special is do you know another? Just guess what I want to say. Okay, you know what you would do? Buy him a ticket to his to a movie or a sporting event that he loves. Our men, I remember my husband is a Chelsea fan, and anytime I encourage him to go watch Chelsea, football team play, he's very happy. He'll be like, so you really remember that this is that today we have Chelsea match and all that. So anytime I encourage him to go, he'll be very happy. It will be a celebration moment for him. So you can get him a ticket to go to viewing centers where he will see like minds. They will discuss, they can watch sporting events that they love. They can also go see a movie in a cinema, and all these things will make him to feel special. Then another idea I want to give you is you can go take him on a shopping spree. Yes, most times these men need so many things, but because they're always thinking about house rent, how to pay school fees, and so many other things, it's now because their memory, and they forget they need so many things. So you can surprise your loved one by taking him or her to a shopping spree. It doesn't cost so much. Okay, you can set aside a little money so that you can make that person feel special. Then another idea I want to give you is give them personalized gifts. Yes, you can give your loved one a personalized gift. When you do that, do you know the kind of joy that comes within? It resonates their mind, and they believe and think that someone is actually thinking about them. You can give them a personalized gift like a pen. You can have their names engraved on it. It's something that they will value for a lifetime because it's coming from someone whom they love. Then another thing is, finally, you could also go together to an art museum, a gallery, where you can view so many things. You can go, like I remember when I went to the slave trade museum at Calabar, I was schooled about the slave trade, and I saw things for myself, and actually it was a very nice experience. So you can take your loved one to a museum, okay, so they can see things, we do artworks together and all that. Then there are other things you can do. Okay, you can explore so many things. You can visit places. You can take that person out of town. When you take that person out of town, you can lodge in an expensive hotel and get a very nice treatment. Okay, these are the things you can do to make your loved one feel special on their special day, be their birthday, their Valentine, and all that. For gifts you can give your loved ones, I have an ebook it's 100 gift ideas you can give your loved one, this Valentine season and beyond, be it birthday, anniversaries, and all that. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can make a purchase. You have a lifetime access to a wide variety of ideas on the kind of gifts you can give your loved ones, during their special occasion. Thank you very much for staying tuned to Family Woman TV. For you to engage in my content, you need to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification to be notified anytime I upload a new video.